This is a 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 two-door sedan. Really is a beauty here. Look under the hood, very clean. It had original air conditioning. This, I believe, is a replacement compressor for that air conditioner. My guess is that's a 332 cubic inch engine. It's also possible to be a 292, but I think it's a 332. In the latter part of the year, they offered the Galaxy model, which had a different roofline in the back, more like the Thunderbird roofline. This one, you'll notice, has a curved back window, whereas the Galaxy was straight across. The interior is very, very nice. There you see the air conditioner under the dash. Automatic transmission. The pillars have a nice chrome finish. Very large trunk with the vertical spare. Lots of room. And they're back to their big round taillights again. And you notice the exhaust ports at the bottom of the bumper. And the stainless moldings, the rear quarter. And of course fender skirts. Beautifully restored. An excellent example